What's up? We about to go on a bike ride. It's hot. What's the weather?
Oh, it's about 85 at least.
We riding my mom's toys, you know.
Show the bike, show the bike.
What kind of bike is that?
This is a 60s Schwinn Debutante. Original, y'all. Original.
And this is an e-bike. And I ain't lazy. I'm just recording, so we just making sure, you know, I can get that speed in front of her so y'all can see us ride. We about to ride, baby.
Really?
Don't hide it. It's okay. It's okay. We're getting prepared. We had a few beers. My baby gone with his daddy. Her kids grown.
Grown, y'all. Grown. We just had some a fish fry today. Little fish, little orange roughy with some shrimp and a nice fresh salad.
And it was really good. I was hungry. That's why I came over here actually. So.
What?
No, act like that. You knew why.
I knew already.
All right, how do I turn this bike on?
Okay.
I mean, this Mama, I got it. No. I'm not. She think I'm gonna drop her little. This that thing. This that stuff that be switching, y'all. That be turning with the. I don't know if it's on though, right?
It's a swivel. It
ain't swiveling.
No, it's. Oh, you know what? You gotta.
Did it catch her?
Oh, is that mom? No, let's see. Yeah. Is it moving?
It did.
Yeah. Okay. So it's on me.
Okay.
Okay, you got
Bob had it here. Look at Bob. Pulling back in. He's crazy. Oh. He got some. Oh. And there's Bob, y'all.
What? He needs an hour or two. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, wait, Mama. How do I turn this on? Okay. So I gotta push this little button here. I'm gonna take my little purse. Cause you never know. Never know.
Kayla, push the little button on your left side.
I did.
Okay, is it how many dots?
3.
Okay.
4.
Real slow.
How do I go? Oh, I gotta twist it back.
Huh?
How do you drive? Take off.
Okay, wait. You need that other arm?
This arm.
Yep.
Okay. Oh,
Listen, I don't think.
Mama, I got it. Just show me what to do with this stuff. Relax.
I'll break them down. Yesterday I had to bring popcorn all over the freaking yard, man.
Popcorn?
Yeah, from that box that was left open filled with popcorn.
I didn't have no popcorn.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Oh, the white
Packing
stuff?
corn.
Mama did that. Oh, this B trying to get in our video. Bye. We recording for YouTube. Oh.
Good. These 2 women can't even break down a damn box.
Oh.
I tell you, I don't do video. I
Let's
don't even get a
go.
hello.
He needs 2 hours.
Did that happen or no?
Yeah, it happened.
Where?
Where'd I put that? In the cabinet, in a black bag.
Okay. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, babe.
Later, I guess.
I'll see you later. See you there, Kayla.
Mama, I have to get a hang of it.
Get on the side.
I am okay.
I'll
Look.
stay behind you.
No, stay next to me.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you. I really all got you. Woo! Look, she might be right. I really don't got it. I'm not right-handed. I'm left-handed, so. I'm ambidextrous after this ride if I'll be successful.
Oh yeah, you riding the e-bike.
Yeah, you know, trying. I'm
So
getting
I
it.
gotta stay with you.
Look, I just gotta get a nice habit of, a routine of just holding it at a good speed. This thing should wrap though.
Huh? Why does it turn around?
I don't know. I might have pushed a button.
It's supposed to follow me. I wonder was it still set for that?
Once you leave the screen, it might not be.
Oh, there goes car.
My forehead shining.
Turn?
Yeah, we can turn.
Okay.
Woo! Riding, out riding. Whoa!
Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful, careful.
That was a little hump. Oh, you said right now, and them don't live over here no more, huh?
They
Like
still
they
live on
place?
the east side though. They got a nice little area. I like the area they in.
Yeah. What's the area?
It's on the east side off of Matt too. But the area, you know, they got mixed. It's a mixed neighborhood, and they seem like they're in a nice place with a little land.
Yeah. Back again. Second part of our bike ride. But I'm not riding because my scooter died. So I get to truck it back home.
We're not that far.
Not that far. It's been 4 blocks. We were
Now
walking.
everybody know the value of a bike and a sexy bike after all.
Okay,
Okay.
yes, I should have been on a bike
Nice
because
Schwinn.
my legs don't never go out. I said because my legs will never go out. Meanwhile, I'm walking this looking foolish. I even tried to give it a little kick, turn it off real quick for a little boost up, but it didn't even work. She got to do circles so she don't leave me. Oh, yeah, okay, well, my arm hurts. Both of my arms. I'm juggling the bike on this one. If Jafar, you see this, I worked out today.
A natural workout.
Natural workout. I done went on a walk earlier with CJ. Went to the park. Had to carry CJ. CJ threw his whole temperature temperature. Had to carry him and his bike. I guess today was bike carrying day. Now I gotta carry my own goddamn bike. So, yeah. This was fun.